I was here half an hour ago and there was pretty much nothing going on. There were no people, and now it's already smashed. It's almost 11, okay, so that makes sense. So I wanted to drink my daily morning coffee at the beach, and so I fixed up my Bialetti with the water from the dishwashing area there. And when I came here and sipped my coffee, I realized that it was salty. So that didn't work. I then proceeded to go over to that island, and when I was there, I turned around and I noticed people standing next to my shit, or kind of like, it even looked like they were fumbling around on my shit, but well, nonetheless, I went back there really quick and there was just like two guys laying down next to me. But you know, there was my cell phone and my credit card in there, and if I lose this, I am fucked. So I went there back really quick. I now have it locked in my Vespa, so I'm free. I should have done this from the get-go, but I didn't. But well, now I'm all set up. We're also here now. So let's do this. I wonder why this place over there is so run down and unused, because it's actually really nice and you could make some awesome kind of beach hotel out of this, or a nice seafood restaurant that you can only reach by boat. That would be awesome. It's funny how many people here are now. Half an hour ago, me and a couple of other people, that was it. When I went there half an hour ago, I swam there, over there. That worked out pretty well. So let's swim. Yep, swimming works a lot better than walking. That's a lot of seaweed. So this island is super nice. I wonder why there's nothing going on here. This is a lighthouse back there. I'd love to become lighthouse ward or guard here. You know? Grow my own, I was gonna say weed, but I don't smoke anymore. Grow my own oranges and make sushi from my vast amount of seaweed. Oh, hi there, little fella. Oh, he's actually big. You're a big fella there. Check it out. That's a big eidechse. What a nice old lighthouse, right? Ooh, I think you would have to completely renew that thing. And this is probably why there's nothing happening here. Just look at all the cracked walls. You'd have to take down that whole thing, and it might be of historical value, so you're not allowed to do that or whatever. I was on the ultimate tip of Europe once, Fuerteventura on the Canary Islands, and the southern tip there, Cofete, the great place. It's beautiful. It's like, oh man, it's massive. And the Canary Islands are close to Africa, or they're already like a little south of Africa, no, not south of Africa, but like near West Africa there. And politically it's a part of Europe, but geographically it's not. Okay, so here we are, guys. We made it. The southern tip of Italy. Isn't that nice? I'm gonna show you some more videos of this here in a couple of minutes from the drone perspective. So this is it. This is it. Nice. I like that. And now that I have my belongings stashed away safely, I am a lot more comfortable and chill walking here. So let's get to that final rock there, because this will be the last dry part of this here island. There we go. Here we are. Wow. That's majestic. Molto majestico. I'm gonna go like there. There's some nice walls, some nice waters banging into the rocks all the time. So I'm gonna try. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, I gotta go there. And maybe I'm gonna get some nice slow-mo. Okay guys, take care. Now I'm all by myself again. Oh, is that sweet? I'm kind of the loner. Take care, man. SPUCCI. Okay, so I stopped here. It's a intense spot, and this as a whole was quite intense. And well, if I didn't get the shot now, I'm not gonna get it at all. So nice. I'm happy. I'm looking forward to check it out. But you know, I gotta get the fuck out of here, because it was dangerous enough the time I was here. Because all those rocks that are so, how do you say, spiky? And slippery and everything. So, well, I wouldn't say I risked my life for that shot, but I risked some bruises. But I'm good. And you know, Vespucci, he was an adventurer, and I have to live up to that name. So I have just decided to swim back the way that I came from the first time. So yeah, let's do it. This is fun. This is a lot of fun. said Vespucci just before drowning. And my mom like, oh no, don't say that. Hi mom, when you're seeing this, then I made it. If not, you're not gonna see it. Okay, and from here on I can swim and you guys can check out the rocks I'm swimming over. You might be able to see some Ricci. You know, like Seeigel. Okay, let's get the show on the road here.